Yo, what's good guys, Pav here, and today I'm going to be showing you the 63 Unison R&B drum samples. And basically when you guys download these, they come in a pack like this and they're royalty free. And trust me, they sound amazing.
Pav on the beat.
So guys, I've managed to use these drum samples just to demonstrate how they sound. And this is pattern 1, check this out. All of these drum samples are royalty free. And this is drum pattern 2. I like that kick, it really gives you that Chris Brown type of sound. Now before I show you guys all the individual samples within this drum pack, I just want to showcase, if you head over to Producer Buzz, there'll be a link in my description. You guys can download this drum sample pack. There'll be an external download link as well as more information what you need to do. Now, I just want to outline that if you guys obviously struggle downloading this from Unison, I'm actually going to add an extra video at the bottom below this that's going to show you exactly how to basically download the Unison, because I'm aware users are having issues. Now, if you head back over to FL Studio, I'm going to show you guys the drum samples inside this drum pack. Okay, so we've got the drum samples and let's check them out one by one. So this is the 808. Cool 808 there. Atmospheres. Really kind of common sounds that you hear in R&B beats. It's got some MIDI files. Some bass one-shots, which you can actually use inside of FL Studio and program them into the keyboard so you can have different kind of bass sounds, claps, hi-hats, cymbals. We're not going to cover all the drum loops, but there's some pretty cool drum loops within this pack. Foley's, effects and miscs. I like that riser sound. It's something you'd hear in Chris Brown type of track again. Kicks. Melody loops. I'm not gonna cover all the melody loops, but there's some melody one-shots. Pretty cool. Open hats. We've got some percs, rim shots, snaps, and snares. And there you go guys. Guys, all of these drum samples are free and they're well worth adding to your download library of your drum samples inside FL Studio or any DAW that you guys are using. What can I say? Yeah, they're cool. 60 royalty free drum samples. You can't go wrong. You know what I mean? You load them up. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this content. Again, make sure you subscribe and make sure that you join us every Sunday where we upload free drum kits between 6 and 7 PM. So make sure that you guys check back. The drum samples within this pack are pretty high quality. They come at 1411 kbps, which is a high definition WAV file. There's 60 files in this. They're nicely selected within the folders. And if you guys want to see the video on how to download this drum kit, can be quite confusing. I will leave an extra link where you guys can actually preview and see how to install this, because it's pretty confusing. So yeah, I'll leave a link below. Apart from that, peace out, subscribe, and ciao.